My name is Samarinder Singh. I am an iOS developer. Yesterday we started our very first video tutorial series about this SwiftUI. We was created our first application with this SwiftUI. We added the hello world text in the application. Okay, so today we will learn about the layouts inside the SwiftUI. In SwiftUI we have three type of layouts which we can use to design our screen based on our requirement. So let's use all those to create a one sample. Okay, so first we add one first VStack. It means a vertical stack. According to the Apple documentation, a view that arranges its subviews in a vertical line. Okay, so if we want to add some tools inside a VStack, it will appear in vertical line. Okay, so as you can see, we added two tags and these are appearing in the vertical direction. Okay, now if we want, now we will remove those and we add here color as red, but as you can see, it's filled to the whole screen. Okay, now we will add our second layout called as stack. It means a horizontal stack, a view that arranges its subview in a horizontal line. Okay, so with the HStack we can align the subviews in horizontal position. Okay, now we add here second color dot green, and then we add one another green. Okay, so as you can see, we added here VStack, HStack. In HStack we added two subviews as a color green and color green. Okay, now if we have to add a text inside first green box, how we can do this? In SwiftUI we have an option ZStack. With ZStack we can add a content as overlay inside. Okay, first we add here green, and you can see we added one text inside the ZStack, and this is the all three layouts we use to create this layout. Okay, so first of all, if we go in HStack, if we want this text in the top left, then how we can do this? For that we have to add here first of all, okay, we have here a property called alignment. Okay, in alignment we can add top leading, and we remove this as we already have an content. As you can see, the text is appearing in the top left or top leading. Okay, now if we want to add and some padding to the text, how we can do? We just tap padding, and okay, you can see we added the default padding to the text, so the text is appearing in the top left. Okay, cool. Okay, so this is, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to watch the videos very first.